Good early morning, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. I'm Tyler Pikes. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I know I've been super slow on uploading videos lately, but I've been super busy, and I promise one upload a week for the next 5 weeks minimum, because I have a bunch of projects coming in that I need to start working on, and I'm going to start working on them this weekend. But today, it is my last Saturday at the job I currently work at, and I kind of just wanted to show you guys what I do, kind of document what a normal day on the job looks like. And I got it set up really, pulling out of the neighborhood, throw the seatbelt on for safety. I got it really special setup today. So I drive a concrete truck. If you don't know what that is, basically I drive a truck that's full of cement, rock, sand, a couple other things. It mixes it up, turns it into concrete, you pour it out, smooth it, do whatever you want with the concrete. Sorry for the bumpy road. We will be off this camera very shortly. And that's what sidewalks, house foundations, driveways, everything like that, curbs is made of. And there are a lot of different mixes. I've been doing this for about 6 months. Actually, my last day will be 6 months exactly working for this company, Northgate Ready Mix. It's been a really good job for me being 19, getting my Class A at 18. If any of you didn't know that, I have my Class A and I'm now 19 years old. And I've really appreciated this job, but it is time for me to move on to bigger and better things that are going to be more financially freeing for me. I'm going to make more money at the new job I'm going to, with more benefits, stuff like that. But anyways, I just want to show today what it's like doing my job. If any of you want to do this job, it's honestly a kind of fun job. I get to go pretty much a new place every day, meet new people every day. I get to drive the truck by myself every day. I have my own music in there. I keep my own stuff in the truck. It's not my truck, but while I'm at work, I'm the only person that drives that truck. But today, what's really cool about today is I am bringing 3 yards of concrete with 3 pounds of black, so it matches the sidewalks in Santa Rosa. I'm bringing it back to the house right by the garage where we always do pretty much all of the work on both trucks on the channel. And we're expanding the driveway a little bit and adding a fence down the side. So you guys will get to see me in action pouring the concrete from the cab of the truck. It's honestly a pretty easy job once you get it down. Just quick overview of what you do. I'm gonna go get to the yard where the trucks are kept. I do a pre-trip, walk around the vehicle, make sure everything is good in operating condition, check under the hood, check the oil, tire pressure, all that good stuff, just to make sure you're not gonna get in the truck, start it up, drive down the road, and something bad is gonna happen. Check the brakes. And then I go to the plant, I back under, they drop the mixture down into the drum spins, I pull over to the next part of the plant, wash the back of the truck off, wash the fins on the inside of the drum off, and then get it to the right wetness, because there are different wetnesses of concrete, and it's called a slump. So if you have a 2-inch slump, it's really dry. If you have a 5-inch slump, that's pretty wet. If you have a 10-inch slump, that's like extremely wet. And that's measured by how much a cone of concrete, what they do is they take a little cone-like thing that's open on the top and bottom, put it on a metal plate, stuff it full of concrete, smooth off the top, and then lift the cone straight up. And then they measure from where the top was to where it is now. So if it dropped 3 inches, you have a 3-inch slump. What's on pretty much, what comes with pretty much all concretes, or what people usually order, is a 4-inch slump. And then it's easier to finish if you make it a higher slump, make it more wet, it's easier to finish. But the wetter it is, the less strength it has in cases, and the more likely it is to crack. But anyways, then I drive to the destination, and usually I just pour the concrete into a hopper on the back of another truck, and they either have a line or a boom, and they move the concrete and put it where it needs to go. Occasionally, we do what's called tailgating, and I drive alongside where we're pouring. I put more chutes on the back of the truck to make the thing longer, and then the workers can move it around and put it where they want that way, and I kind of drive with them. So anyways, I'm a few minutes away from the yard. I'm gonna get in my truck, get everything ready, and I will catch up with you guys back at the house. Okay. All right, guys, so there you have it. That was me kind of in action driving this work truck. I just thought that'd be cool to show you guys real quick a little bit of what I do. And now that we got that driveway done, we have more parking out front for more projects that are coming soon. So if you guys aren't already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up and let me go show you the finished product. Along with the truck already parked on it, so it's been about a week since I poured. And there it is, finished up. And I got my initials right there, TF, but kind of dirty already, whatever. And it makes for a nice little parking spot for the truck. We got the fence going too. So it looks a lot better, and that's what it's like to drive a concrete truck. Also, real quick side note, I'm editing the video and I realized I forgot to say one thing, so just one quick thing. That is the truck I started in about 6 months ago, and I since have moved on to a different truck, and I will throw up a picture of both trucks right after this outro. But somebody else had been driving that and they got it dirty. It was not that dirty when I was driving it, I swear, and you'll see the white one. I might have a picture from the last day I worked there. And the white one, both trucks were cleaner under my driving. So just want to throw that in there because I'm editing the video and the truck looks filthy. So thank you guys for watching. See you later.